Hi, Caesar. Hi, little buddy. Hi, fella. Hello. What is it, little guy? Oh, man, he ran into me. It's gonna run into me again. Oh, little one. Hello. You say that again, buddy? Hmm? Oh, he's pushing me over. Now what do I do? Oh, no. It's okay, Caesar. Just lean on me, fella. Just lean on me, buddy. Oh, he's running into you now.
No. The cow ears.